So I'm Risa Uchiha, and I'm doing the Get to Know Me tag. Didn't even know that was a thing. It's still going.
Are you named after anyone?
Actually, I'm named after the nurse that delivered me. Because
Legit?
I'm not joking. My dad wanted to name me Kamara. My mom said no, so my dad said Lisa because that was the nurse's name.
That's funny.
Question number 2.
When was the last time you cried?
A month ago?
You can't even see my face. All you could see is that there I am. Anyway.
Question number 3.
Do you have kids?
Absolutely not. Question number 4.
If you were another person, would you be a friend of yourself?
Probably. I mean, I like myself just the way I am. Okay,
Ready?
question number 5.
Do you use sarcasm a lot?
I don't know. What is sarcasm? Just kidding.
Ox.
Question number 6.
Will you ever bungee jump?
Nope.
Ow.
Too afraid of heights.
That hurt my arm. Hold on. What's your favorite cereal?
Cheerios?
Oh, what kind of Cheerios?
Honey Nut Cheerios.
Right on.
Question number 8.
I can't do this because I'm tall and I'm standing on the ground. What is the first thing you notice about people?
Their hair.
9.
Question 9.
Okay, drunk stepping stones. What's your eye color?
Hazel green.
Right on.
Question number 10.
9. No, 10. You're right. Scary movies or happy endings?
Happy endings. Question number 11.
I forgot it for a second. What is favorite smell? What's your favorite smell?
I like the smell of fruit.
Okay.
Question number 12.
Summer or winter?
Summer, obviously.